Hello. So the first thing that I see that doesn't work, that you must learn by now, is to use Excel as Excel. So we'll move this to G. Okay, let's do this like that. Okay. Here you should put, okay, never merge cells. Never merge cells. Okay? This is not a way to use Excel. Now, let me see if I can unmerge that. Voila. So here we put name, here we put sum, here we put number of days, and here we put subtotal. Okay, so this must be changed. Okay. Why is it doing that? Number of days or times. Okay. So this is always 2, 2, 2. Okay. This is how we do the rest. And how do you do this now? You put equal, look at here. Okay. Put equal this by this. Asterisk is by the multiplication. Okay. And this becomes like this. So then you can copy and it will do it automatically. You'll see, okay, nothing changed. Okay, right. But then now we'll see that you made a major mistake, which is here. You see here. So 20 times 3500. So you see, you put here 45 500. Now see what is the actual sum. This by this is 17. And okay, so whenever you have multiplication of something, you have to put the two items of the multiplication in two separate columns, and then where you want the product, the result of the multiplication to appear, you have to use this formula, equal, then the first cell by the second cell. Okay, then if you copy this, you will copy the kind of multiplication, not the result, okay, but the kind of multiplication. You see here it was 3000 and here it's 35, because Excel understands that you are asking him to do the same kind of multiplication, but of course the result may be different. Okay.